What if your life began in privilege, then suddenly turned into survival? What if, as a teenager, you were sent away from everything you knew, forced to live in a rural village, sleeping in a cave, working like a farmer, and wondering if you would ever return? And what if that same young man would later rise to lead one of the most powerful nations on earth? Today, we explore the biography of Xi Jinping, a man whose life story reflects struggle, ambition, resilience, and the transformation of modern China. This is not just the story of a politician, this is the story of a journey through revolution, hardship, power, and history. Xi Jinping was born on June 15, 1953, in Beijing, China. His father, Xi Zhonggang, was an important revolutionary figure who helped shape the early communist movement in China. Growing up, she lived in a China that was still rebuilding after decades of war. But his early life would soon change dramatically. In the 1960s, China entered a period known as the Cultural Revolution, a time of political chaos and social upheaval. His father was accused of political wrongdoing and removed from power. Suddenly, his family faced hardship and isolation. For a young boy, the fall from privilege was shocking. At just 15 years old, Xi Jinping was sent away from Beijing to a rural village called Yangjiai in Shanxi province. This was part of a national movement where urban youth were sent to live and work among peasants. He lived in hard conditions, limited food, heavy labor, extreme poverty, isolation. He worked in the fields, carried grain, dug ditches, and lived in a cave dwelling. This experience shaped his understanding of rural culture. It was also during this time that she began pursuing membership in a communist party. He reportedly applied multiple times before being accepted. After years in the countryside, Yi returned to Beijing. She studied at Tsinghua University, one of China's top institutions. He studied engineering but also later focused on political theory. Xi Jinping began working in local government roles, slowly climbing the ladder. Unlike some leaders who rise quickly, Xi's rise was gradual. Country positions, provincial leadership, administrative roles. Over decades, he gained experience across different regions of China. Xi Jinping held leadership roles in provinces like Fujian, Xinjiang, Shanghai. These areas were important economic centers. He worked focused on development, governance, party discipline, modernization. By the mid-2000s, she was becoming known as a leader with strong organizational ability. In 2007, he was appointed party secretary of Shanghai, a major political role. This appointment was widely seen as a stepping stone to national leadership. In 2012, Xi Jinping became General Secretary of the Communist Party, the most powerful position in China. Soon after, Xi became President of the People's Republic of China, Chairman of the Central Military Commission. His leadership marked a new era in Chinese politics. Xi's administration has focused on anti-corruption campaigns, economic modernization, strengthening party control. China's rose as a global power. Supporters view him as a stabilizing force. Critics express concern about centralization of authority. Either way, his leadership has reshaped China's trajectory. Under Xi, China has expanded its influence worldwide through infrastructure projects, international trade, diplomacy, technology competition. China's rise has become one of the defining stories of the 21st century. Xi's leadership continues to play a central role in how China interacts with the world.
The Chinese people are a people that are not afraid of violence and are self-reliant and strong. Today, humanity once again faces a choice between peace and war, dialogue and confrontation. mutual benefit, and zero-sum outcomes. The Chinese people firmly stand on the right side of history and on the side of the progress of human civilization. We will adhere to the path of peaceful development and work hand in hand with people of all countries to build a community with a shared future for mankind.
Xi Jinping's story is one of the contrasts, from Beijing to rural caves, from political struggle to national leadership, from personal hardship to global influence. His biography reflects not only one man's life, but the transformation of modern China itself.